Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to buy DeFi factory token on Trust Wallet and Uniswap. First, you're going to need to download the Trust Wallet app, and I would also recommend that you download the CoinMarketCap app. Once you have done that and gone through the verification process on Trust Wallet, you're going to buy some Ethereum. Keep in mind that the minimum amount you can spend is $50 USD. After you have done your purchase, you're going to go into the CoinMarketCap app and you're going to tap on the search icon right beside the bell. And from there, you're going to type in DeFi factory, and you can see it right here, DeFi factory token. From here, you'll be able to look on some analytics. And if you scroll down, you can read more about the token. And right where you see Ethereum, you're going to tap on those two boxes. And once you have copied the address, you're going to go back into Trust Wallet. And you're going to tap on the apps. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Uniswap Exchange. Once Uniswap Exchange has loaded up, you will see the Ethereum that you had purchased earlier. And you're going to tap on select a token, and in the search bar you're going to paste the link you have just copied. Then you're going to tap on import and import again, and from there you'll be able to swap the Ethereum for the DeFi factory token. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.